Okay, so in this lesson what we're going to take a look at a linear inequality that is also written in two variables. Just like a linear equation, we can have a linear inequality that has two variables, x and y. Also, just like a linear equation, an ordered pair, x and y, is a solution of a linear inequality if the inequality is true when the values for x and y are substituted into the inequality. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to test and see if points are solutions to an inequality or are not solutions to an inequality. So I've got these written on my paper here, and I've got 2x minus 3y is greater than or equal to negative 2. First point that I'm going to check is I'm going to check the point 0, 0. Then I'm going to check the point 0, 1, then the point 2, negative 1, then the point 2, 2. So, right now, pause your video and go through and test these points by plugging them into the inequality and seeing if they work. Then you can unpause the video and see if you were right or not. So when I plug in 0, 0, 2 times 0 minus 3 times 0 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Substituting that into our inequality over here. 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, so 0 minus 0 gives me 0 greater than or equal to negative 2. So that means, if you look at that, 0 is truly greater than negative 2. That means 0, 0 is a solution. And yes, I did write it that way for a reason. It is a solution. It is not the only solution. We're going to talk about in just a second how to find all of the solutions for that inequality. When I plug in 0, 1, 2 times 0 minus 3 times 1 greater than or equal to negative 2, I end up with 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. Negative 3 is not greater than or equal to negative 2. So the point 0, 1 is not a solution. Again, there's a reason I did that. Don't say no, don't say none. There are solutions to this problem. We've already found one. That one just does not work. Then we take the point 2, negative 1. And we plug that one into our inequality. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3. So that gives me 7 greater than or equal to negative 2. That is also true. So 2, negative 1 is a solution. Again, not the only solution, a solution to the problem. The last one is 2, 2. So if I do 2 times 2, 3 times 2, greater than or equal to negative 2, and I'm sorry, I'm running out of room there on my paper, you'll see 4 minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 2. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So negative 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2. That means the point 2, 2 is a solution as well. So what we've done is we've established that this inequality has multiple solutions. We only picked a few points. Now what we want to do is we want to see if we can find all of the solutions to that inequality. Just like linear equations, if you want to find all the solutions of an inequality, we're going to graph it. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to graph that inequality.